So now you want to pad your lid for your closed extension. What you want to do is you want to take it off, place it on a flat surface, and then you want to turn it to where your screws are facing up towards you, and now you're going to want to remove all of these screws, it should be 60 of them, off this entire thing so you can pull everything apart. Once all your screws are taken out, you just pop your top trim rings out. Set those to the side, and now you can lift up on this and it frees up the bottom. Alright, now you can discard these. You will not need these anymore. And now you can set this off to the side. When you get your pad, it will look exactly like this. We always have Velcro attached to this, but for demonstration purposes, I will be putting it on them manually, but normally this is exactly how it would look when you get it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take all of these screws out of your trim rings so you can install it. Now that you have all those off, you can take your top trim rings off. Once you have all of this set, you'll now use your foam blocks to put underneath this to raise this up. Now once you get to this point, you can now place your top on. When you go to do this, make sure that your mortise on here is facing down. And this one you'll probably have to wiggle around. Go to each one, get it all set, make sure it's in there. Now you can place your top trim rings on there, short and stubby. They should pop right into place. So now once you get all this right here, you're going to put your trim rings on, and now you're going to start putting in your screws. I would recommend using a drill with a Phillips screwdriver. Just makes the job go a lot quicker. What you want to do is you'll start right here at the edge. You may have to press down a little bit firmly to get the screw started, but the reason why I recommend starting here at your corners is it will lift it up and it will make these go a lot easier. Flip it over, do the other side the exact same way. We can now flip it over and remove the foam blocks. And then from here, we'll install the Velcro that will be on the back side of the pad. You're going to peel off the Velcro that is on the bottom side. And you can kind of see where it's going to lay. Then you can kind of keep that same distance away from the edge right here, all the way down. It doesn't have to be perfect. Eyeball and it'll pretty much do the trick. Alright, make sure it's adhered good to the wood. You'll just kind of bring it down and you notice that it'll hit pretty much right on it, and then just kind of go down the sides. Attach it to it. Now we'll just work our way all the way around in a clockwise motion. Come to the middle. Press it down, working your way towards the edges. We'll spin it. Come to this side. Rip the Velcro off. Pull the backing off of it. As you push down, you will almost visually see that it will be able to adhere to it. Like if you can see this right here, where this is white, as I press down, it actually gets, you can actually see the wood grain coming through a little bit. That's how you know it's starting to adhere to it very well. Start in the center, pull it down. Like I said right there, if there's a little bit of excess, feel free to snip it off if it's not on it. Pull the backing off. And if there's a little excess, just snip it off. And work your way out to the edges. And there we go. There you have it. And then there's nothing left to it but to install it.